All right, Miss Rose.
How is she?
She's doing good. She needs a little attention. Come here, let me show you. Let's go see her. Okay, so this is basically her report card. Green means she's good. Yellow means we want to keep an eye on something. And red means we should take care of it.
So we want green.
We love green.
And what did she get?
Mostly good. There's a couple of things that do need some attention.
What kind of attention are we talking about?
As you can see right here, your brakes are red. There's some signs of the pads being worn out. You don't want to let it get metal to metal because it could damage your rotors.
Brakes are important?
Actually, very important. The brakes will make sure that the vehicle stops safely.
Oh, okay. Very important.
And also you can see your wipers are also a red. Being in Florida, the dry rot can get really serious because it's pretty hot and that will warn out the wipers really fast. So those are also red.
Also important.
Also important.
And the yellow stuff?
Your tires are starting to wear, so we're gonna keep an eye on those. Better tires mean better grip, especially on wet roads. Then you have your cabin air filter and your engine air filter.
What's the difference?
Well, the cabin air filter helps clean the air you breathe inside the car, and the engine air filter helps clean the air your engine breathes.
So one for me, one for her.
Exactly.
How do I know this actually happened?
Great question. So we actually send you a video inspection so you can see what our technician saw.
Oh, so I get evidence.
Yep, you get evidence.
So what do I need to do today?
That's what we prioritize. Your brakes and wipers need attention first. Your oil change is due. And then we have items that we want to keep in the radar, including your tires, filters, and your 60,000 mile maintenance.
So I don't have to do everything at once?
No, not at all. My job as an advisor is to exactly show you what your vehicle needs, when exactly, so that we can satisfy your needs and, well, her needs.
Okay, so what are my options?
To take care of everything we talked about, your total investment would be $1,825.62.
What if I want to prioritize?
Well, in that case, we can start with the immediate and related items for only $510.92, which includes your oil change, your brakes, and wipers.
What if I want to go smaller?
Okay, let me see. Then we can start with the related maintenance, which is only $99.95. It includes oil change and filter.
That sounds way less scarier.
That's why we walk you through it.
Is there anything that helps with the cost?
Absolutely. We can check Ford service offers to see if you have any reward points as well, Ford Visa, and if you have Ford Protect coverages.
And what if I don't have time to come back for the rest?
We have pickup and delivery.
Oh, so you'll literally come get her.
We'll come get her.
And bring her back?
And bring her back.
Okay, I like that. So basically, she's good.
She's good. She just needs a little maintenance and attention.
Honestly, same.
Yeah, me too. Then you have your... Come on, bro.
Mafa.
Come on. I'm just...
And what if I don't have time? I have time to come back for the rest. Okay. It's funny, Chris.